old men cough at orchestra recitals to establish dominance. I believe that. I've been to the ballet. I
It's
believe
fully
it.
true. It's fully true. Like I remember there are two next to each other at an orchestra recital, and like they got their coughs in at the break, and they kept
Right.
it was like watching two buffalo like asserting true it's and I would go to my brother's recital, like orchestra recitals, and I noticed that the old men would like
Yeah.
do that to like establish
Your brother
I'm
also wrote, but the ones that cough donate the most money. So they feel like
ooh.
they have the right to do it. Like, pay attention to me.
exactly
Yeah.
Maybe there's like a in
exactly.
small print they read like each cough is $1,000 and then they're just making good. On BoJack, there's this one line that I remember. There's this like sort of older person, and they're like, "Oh, the theater. That's my favorite place to eat crinkled candies."